In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove apps from Shopify store. Delete Shopify apps. Start by opening your Shopify admin on a desktop browser, where everything is easier to see and manage. Make sure you're signed in with an account that has permission to manage apps for the store. Once you're in the dashboard, look to the left-hand sidebar and open the Apps section. This is where all of your installed apps and sales channels are listed, so you can quickly find what's currently running in your store. Next, head into App Settings. Depending on your layout, this may appear as a dedicated App Settings area or as Apps and Sales Channels under Settings. The goal is the same. You want the place where you can manage, configure, and remove installed apps. Now, find the app you want to remove and select it so it's clearly highlighted. Take a moment to confirm you've chosen the correct app, especially if you use a few that have similar names. Removing an app will immediately stop it from running in your store. Choose Uninstall. When you click Uninstall, Shopify will usually display a short survey or a prompt asking why you're removing the app. You'll see a set of checkboxes labeled Select All that apply. Pick the options that best match your situation. This feedback helps developers improve the app, but it won't affect your ability to remove it. You may also see additional checkboxes or notes, sometimes also labeled Select All that apply, related to things like data cleanup, code removal, or billing. Read these carefully. Some apps leave theme code or customer data behind after uninstalling, while others offer an option to remove their settings during this step. If you're unsure, consider backing up your theme before proceeding, and check the app's documentation for guidance on removing leftover snippets. When you're ready, confirm by clicking Uninstall again. Shopify will process the request and show a confirmation message that the app has been removed. Give your admin a quick refresh and verify the app no longer appears in your installed list. It's a good idea to test your storefront and any affected features to make sure everything still looks and functions as expected. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. Uninstalling usually stops future charges through Shopify's billing, but if the app used an external subscription, sign in to the app's website to cancel there as well. And if you ever need the app again, you can reinstall it from the Shopify App Store and reauthorize it for your store.